Hey everybody, welcome back to the farm. We are going to turn this 55-gallon drum into a water that will last 5 years plus. I have many of them here on the farm, and I use them for pigs. We can use them for goats. You can even use them for young calves. Trust me, they last forever, way longer than any other water that you can buy from a feed store. So I'm going to show you how we do it. Take a 55-gallon drum, take a tape measure, come out here about 12 and a half, 13 inches. We're gonna make some Sharpie marks all the way around, and we're gonna cut it with a saw. You guys will love this. It works marvelous and it lasts forever, so let's do it. So as you can see, I put some Sharpie marks here, but most of these have already a line in them right around where you need to cut. So put your mark there and just kind of follow that. See, this has a line, which really it could be on that line, but I'm just going a little over. You could do right on the line if you wanted to. All right, so after you get done cutting, this is what you're left with. Just like that. See how nice of a water this is? And if they end up, sometimes my bigger sows, I'll put a center block in here, but you don't have to because the weight. But if you make them too thick or too big, they get hard to dump and clean out. So 12 and a half inches is about right. That's what you want. So let's go fill it up and give it to the pigs. All right, guys, and just like that, you got yourself a really nice water. And the good thing about these is the plastic doesn't crack. As you can see, here's the older one. It gets cracks in it, and even you clean it out, but this time of year with algae, you're gonna still have to clean these out, but they are awesome. Like I said, I've got many that have been here for years, 5 years, and they're still going strong. So, like I said, you don't want them too deep because it's harder to clean it or dump them and clean them out. But the pigs are in the wallow. They're hot, it's humid out here, and they're gonna love this. So I highly recommend this. Get yourself a 55-gallon drum, and they work marvelous. And we also leave drums in here in the wintertime and fill them up. Instead of running a hose, it really helps dipping out of. But guys, and if you have smaller animals, like smaller goats, you cut it a little shorter, maybe 8 or 9 inches. And you know, you spend 20 bucks on a drum like that, and you got yourself a water that will outlast any of those little giants that you buy, or any of that. So guys, just a little farm tip, little farm hack. It works marvelous. They will love you for it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.